On the 12th of April 2021, our group has conducted an event called Communal Work Assemble in our respective neighborhood. This event is hosted alongside our village chief as our collaborators and our neighbors as our beneficiaries, in alignment with Sustainable Development Goal 12, which encourage responsible consumption and production. This event aims to ensure that the community will be more responsible with their waste through activities like recycling and cleaning the neighborhood together.
Malaysians produce an average of 30,000 tons of waste every day. Only 5% of it were recycled items. Recycling bins were provided by government but were misused by the society. And the ones utilized were found that contain only 40 to 60% of non-recycled items. That is why our group wants to tackle this problem and decided to choose about the mismanagement of garbage. The area of the neighborhood where the playground in the backyard area was covered with trash. There were significant issues for our community members who live in these areas, which are at Bandar Baru Bani, Ulu Langat, Taman Penelaks, and Taman Rapat Setia Baru. This is to highlight that these issues should not be taken lightly, as poor waste management can lead to other problems such as dengue fever and food poisoning, as garbage attracts flies and mosquitoes. Furthermore, this project is very easy and simple. Basically, everyone can join this program regardless of social class, age and gender.
For the solution of the issue, gotong royong could be the alternative to curb the issue of mismanagement of waste in the community. We encourage neighbours to participate in this activity, which makes them more aware of the responsibility to take care of the environment. Therefore, gotong royong will be held at 4 different places where the members live. To ensure standard of procedure (SOP) by the government are being adhered to, we held the gotong royong at our respective houses while wearing masks and practicing social distancing. This activity is being proposed to make it as monthly activity to the village chief. This will make the community be more responsible for their own consumption and make the neighborhood clean from waste.
So, hi everyone. Today we are here with the Chief Village of Di8 Bandar Baru Bani, Encik Baharom. Saya ada beberapa soalan untuk ditanyakan kepada Encik Baharom. Soalan yang pertama, Encik. Saya dapati terdapat banyak sampah sarap di kawasan perumahan kita dan ia menjadi satu isu yang membimbangkan penduduk taman kita. Adakah Encik maklum dengan masalah ini?
Saya maklum tentang perkara ni. Benda ni dah lama berlaku. Saya dah adukan kepada pihak persatuan. Tapi benda ni masih berlaku lagi. Inilah sikap segelintir daripada masyarakat yang tidak bertanggungjawab.
Jadi soalan saya yang kedua, saya dan rakan-rakan telah menjalankan satu usaha iaitu kempen gotong royong. Adakah Encik rasa ini satu usaha yang efektif dan memberangsangkan?
Pada saya, usaha untuk gotong royong itu ada satu benda yang baik kerana dia dapat sekurang-kurangnya menjaga kebersihan kawasan ni. Lagipun pembuangan sampah ini dilakukan oleh mungkin pada pihak masyarakat sendiri. Eloklah juga dia sama-sama membantu melakukan gotong royong di kawasan perumahan.
Jadi soalan saya yang terakhir, Encik, apakah pelan Encik untuk menangani isu ini pada masa hadapan?
Pada pendapat saya, elok dilakukan gotong royong mungkin setiap bulan supaya kawasan perumahan ini terjaga bersih daripada sampah sarap dan masyarakat prihatin dengan perkara tersebut.
Hi Miss Raihana. Hi. So what do you think about our program today?
I think this is a good program and initiative by the organizer, and I can see that all of the residents here are working together and give their full cooperation to clean the housing area, since this year we cannot go back to our hometown, right, for Hari Raya. So it's good to see the area is clean.
Okay, thank you.